For positive spiritual development, few awaken, but we need substantial human collective consciousness to make beautiful things happen, to accomplish our climb to a higher vibrational frequency on our way to oneness. But we still do not have control of the events forthcoming for reasons mentioned: numbers, greed, and darkness holding on to power over others. When will we make an end? Application of shift and lifting to higher consciousness and higher vibrational frequencies are individual acts. We have to work our ways to do it, otherwise 7 billion of souls will be going down with darkness who are afraid of light. Light from Angel V. Ornedo Jr. About the author. Angel teaches love, light and unity, assist with capitalist funds to generate livelihood in industrial estates in Southeast Asia, Middle East, and organize corporations that create jobs. Oneness and food in the stomach make us think of truth. Link at ornedo@gmail.com or connect at Barnes & Noble, Libris, and Amazon.com. Knowing the Infinite Creator, ebooks and articles at the net.